Caribbean beaches are some of the most beautiful in the world, famous for their white powdery sand, turquoise water, warm sunshine, and relaxed island vibe. Spread across hundreds of islands and coastal nations, each Caribbean beach has its own unique charm. Crystal clear water, perfect for swimming, snorkeling and diving. Soft white and golden sand, ideal for relaxing, walking and beach photography. Warm weather year-round, tropical climate with ocean breezes, rich marine life, colorful coral reefs, tropical fish, sea turtles, peaceful atmosphere, calm, slow-paced island life. Grace Bay, Turks and Caicos, silky white sand and calm turquoise water. Flamenco Beach, Puerto Rico, shallow water, great for families. 7 Mile Beach, Jamaica, long, lively beach with resorts and sunsets. Eagle Beach, Aruba, iconic divvy trees and clear water. Pink Sands Beach, Bahamas, rare pink-colored sand from coral fragments. Snorkeling and scuba diving, swimming and sunbathing, boat tours and sailing, jet skiing and paddleboarding, beachside dining and music, watching breathtaking sunsets. Best time to visit, December to April. Best weather, dry season, peak travel time, May to November. Fewer crowds, lower prices, hurricane season. Why people love Caribbean beaches. Caribbean beaches offer the perfect mix of beauty, adventure and relaxation. Whether you want a romantic escape, family vacation, luxury resort stay, or peaceful island retreat, the Caribbean has a beach for everyone. The Caribbean is home to over 7,000 islands, reefs and cays, making it one of the world's most diverse beach destinations. Caribbean beaches are not just beautiful, they offer culture, adventure, history, and unforgettable scenery. Soft, powdery sand and calm water, perfect for relaxing. Grace Bay, Turks and Caicos, 7 Mile Beach, Jamaica. Eagle Beach, Aruba. Pink sand beaches, rare and romantic, created by crushed coral. Pink Sands Beach, Bahamas. Horseshoe Bay, Bermuda. Black sand beaches. Volcanic sand with dramatic scenery. Reyes Viara-style Caribbean beaches in St. Lucia, Diamond Beach, St. Vincent. Volcanic sand with dramatic scenery. Reyes Viara-style Caribbean beaches in St. Lucia, Diamond Beach, St. Vincent. Wild and secluded beaches, untouched nature and peaceful surroundings. Half Moon Bay, Antigua. Shoal Bay, Anguilla. Playa Fronton, Dominican Republic. Underwater beauty Caribbean beaches are famous for coral reefs close to shore, making them ideal for snorkeling, scuba diving, swimming with sea turtles, exploring shipwrecks. Top snorkeling spots. Golden sunsets over calm seas, palm trees swaying in ocean breezes, turquoise water changing color throughout the day, star-filled skies at night in quiet islands, culture and beach. Life Caribbean beaches are full of life and rhythm. Reggae in Jamaica, calypso and soca in Trinidad, steel drums in the Bahamas, beach barbecues and fresh seafood. Friendly locals and laid-back vibes. Warm temperatures all year. 75 ITE 8 degrees, 24 to 31 degrees. Trade winds keep beaches cool and comfortable. Dry season is busiest. Some islands rarely get hurricanes. Aruba, Curacao. Why Caribbean beaches are unforgettable. Caribbean beaches offer natural beauty, relaxation and adventure. Rich island culture. World-class resorts and hidden gems, a true escape from everyday life. We've explored so many incredible places together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Your support means the world and helps me bring even more amazing destinations to you. See you in the next video.